sanam koge sagun johar sagun Parsi Jitkar Maha amidho ar sagun daram abo teheny node tehenya Parsi Maha Parsi Jitkar Maha din re well teheny do bang kana 22 tarik tahen kana chala na ado Cekoli ya, nama ma miteng occasion kana adi hor do debate gya ko kahilo bon manawa, kahilo babon manawa, se manawa bon se babon manawa, ana ko chala kan dia kata. Cikate mana ko na jiten ha liya bona take background celka hui na mente. But anyway, midin mane propose na, midin approve na, midin sign na hai se, ona ko hui na. Ar ona pore mana ko nama do guru gomko jemon mane invite dia oni ya birthday jo kon manaw gya no related festival ko se no related celebration ko ado no ado mitang constitution re ena mente kon manaw ya se so is it necessary na ko man gya ado adin dini mena anado it is more than celebration it is a celebration do typically kon mena ene serenya se raskar moj bakra but this occasion is more about celebrating the accomplishments related to all chiki hai se so meaning unjoi khon invite bhi kare phone ar ona pore ek schedule re include hui pore khon nito hori check ko bon chika kya check ko accomplishment hui na I think that is what we need to celebrate se tina boi ko ol kya se tina school ko khule na se tina horbon sange horbon rode ya se tina sange horbon all dare kana padhaw dare kana bon wagera 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 so on I think it is good to celebrate to hard work that we have done for that purpose. Although rather than taking a whole lot of time, I will stop here and then ask. Today we will have Shivabu, who is not feeling that great, I guess, last few days, but he has accepted he will take care of the show. Lakin chalawa. Ar abon usually abon ahor kan kya abon we don't have any guest and we do not have a large crowd. We ourselves are here and so Jiten is going to give us a little more background on this day and then we'll continue from there. But anyway, right now I will pass it to Shivabu.
Hai Masarao, Sanam ko and Sagun Daram. Sagun Parsi Jitkar Maha. Kate bo mana ya ado nito do eto tabonain tobe guru gomke Pandit Raghunath Murmu jahay aboa arang re chehrai fotel raka akada ado gorhone em akawada juge juge sodor lagi jati dhorom chacho lahai lagi ti jangai benaw akada ado mit kathate jion dhongare jiwi ar samhet e sirjon akada ado unia olaka mit nehor khon tehing tehinga noa program bo mane jaha bo etohoba ado ona nehor etohob lagi mai anjika biti ar ansika biti tikining nehor kina
Sanam ko sagun daram sagun Parsi Maha Johar Johar bidu chandan guna birda chalakin ola birda gyan chalakin ola birda gyan chalakin Budhi gyan khato getin dhidare bale getin dese ing ho gyan e maing bin dese ing ho gyan e maing bin abi na adaya mayate chian ko dhyan kan dese ing ho akil e maing bin dese ing ho akil e maing bin mone alo etago ama mone medating busalo ama bugi badi joto nyanyalanyama bugi badi joto nyanyalanyama जोहार जोहार बिदु चांदन गुण बिरदा चाल की ओल बिरदा ज्ञान चाल की ओल बिरदा ज्ञान चाल की
Aima sarau Anjika Beti Ransika Beti.
Adi apa yang nyelok?
Aima sarau. Nito do lahasen welcome bakraling neotaya Devendra dada abo talare markatha lay sodor bakha.
Arvindo salam ko ke johar ar sagun daram. Jer jana leina do banua ado nito ni jer ke leka ona lay tege we should give some of few minutes to Professor Ratni Hasda when the turn comes later. Like lekaling chekometa culture language do matlab something that we have to live the culture and live the life, live the language. Mane hui na jahan te din bon but it is not possible in this noa global world re no the by possible a chikate jahan re bon tahen kana ona culture ge bon tahen kana we are living in that culture, so we become a part of that culture, right? Hindi and English and jahan age similarly language ho ona ge kan jahan language ona ko leya ona te bon load kana, right? But the question is ki abo jahan khon mon heja kana ona ha bon galmarawya ona chikate banchao tahena ona lagid abo do noa ko bon korawya. So it is possible neta do ona lagid gina noa do manawa badaya bon, meaning multiple location re noka bon jawra kana jahan re we make an effort to live up to some extent, is it? Ona lagid gina no galmara ko se sereng ko se bhajan ko to and ar lege lekin jahan ko accomplishment hui kana na tara re from last year to this year ona common rod yoga. So I remember Professor Ratni Hasda had posted some pictures and videos of what they did in their university and how she is pursuing some further research and all that stuff, right? So ona ko do these are part of our living culture, right? But everybody does not have the same opportunity or same situation. Ona sabte when we come virtually like this we can kind of partially live that life, is it? Ona na intention do ona lagid ki abo do bon liya ki we should devote few hours for this kind of occasions and celebrate further, is it? Ar abo ma abo khas karke letka ko zindagi re chikate noa tahai dia some impact, some mark they should have, otherwise they have no clue because they are living their own life wherever it is, whatever language, whatever culture, and noa tala tara bon kolor khan they have some connection established and hopefully it will stay with them, is it? Ona kana intention do le lekha bon letka do when it goes it will stay, right? So whereas once you are an adult that point is so difficult to put anything inside. So from that perspective in a kind layer lido the importance is up there or why we want to continue this kind of occasions, is it? So Arvindo jete hor second daram let us proceed with whatever our kids have collected so far or done something learned through our this effort and what we have learned through this effort, is it? So Shivabu, back to you.
Thank you. Aima sarau dada. The lighting up for the like why we are celebrating this events actually. Nito doha now I'll request Jitendra Babu to say about that importance about that events.
Johar ke Intaman Jitendra Mandi, Santal International Association Youth Coordinator, are in the hand in Parsi Maha then Idiate. jahanak ge barpot ngani leya abo no bahasa Parsi Santal no do abo official language its ke julunare samilok ma ona hisab te no gona ma no the Lok Sabha re pass na 22nd December 2003 re ona ona din pore 23rd December 2003 re no setter na Rajya Sabha re ona re ar hantar kopter kate onde khano hano pass na ikhan ona pore president jindho proper stamp sohit signature ko by em ka ona dari jahan ge parliament re bang pass kana ona to unka hisab rege tahena bill hisab rege tahena president signature em katena pore ona do security namwa to ona bill re do ona kanun re do 7th January 2004 re उन जो का प्रेसिडेंट को साइन किया कि तापर ओना पोरे जेकी सांताला भाषा परसी दो मान्यता नाम क्या है पूरा इंडिया भितर रे नोआ दो कथा दो इखन दो अबो इंडिया रेना कना गे मतलब इंडिया रेना कना गे तापर आनहो नेपाल करे हो और बांग्लादेश करे हो सांताल मेना को ओंडे ना कथा दो आर हालगा ओंडे ओंडे ओकारे सांताल परसी महा को ओंडे को मेना आसे बचवेना ओना करना कथा दो हाल लगे तो इन खातिर ना गुरु देवेन गमके किन लई ताहे कि माने कंट्रोवर्सी में अनुवा इदी खातिर ओका दिन रे आपो बन परसी महा बन कराया पिया डेट हुईना 22nd December 23rd December and 7th January माने अब 22nd December के पाले अडिगान हर को मनरे रहे दिए को पढ़ाने दिया चलते प्रथम थर ना लोक सभा रे पारमेना ऑफिशियली दे उना 7 जनवरी हुआ ओनागी ना के कंट्रोवर्सी उना दो माना कंट्रोवर्सी दोंगा जहां के कन्वेंशन हिसाब ते चलो चलो दड़ा इखन निया दाव दो आबो बन डिसाइड बा 22nd बन कराया आर हो अडिगान जगह करे उनका को कराया तो ठीक गया उना दो उना बिग इशू तो बना उना दो गाना गया तो इनगान then Parsi Maha dia tu pun double kan mekan guru gomke bang lekhan ma katha ma pancawa तो गुरु गमके पंडित रघुनाथ मुर्मू 1905 में रे जन्म जन्म लेना है तो उन्हीं के अब ऑल चिकरे आर्किटेक्ट दो सिंगल आर्किटेक्ट माने एकला वैसा कहते हैं मिट्टी भाषा रे ना पूरा ग्रामर को रनोड़ को और स्क्रिप्ट को ऑल को बनाना नवा तो इखन दो कम अपन जिनिस को तो बंकना और गुरु गमके नवा दायित्व निजे ऊपर हाता ले काता तो नंका दे फर्स्ट टाइम गुरु गमके पंडित रघुनाथ मुर्मू तेरे स्कूल को भेजा के दिया तो ओंडे सेटर रात बड़े नाम क्या है जे पढ़ा दो टीचिंग मीडियम दो ओंडे दो संताल दो बांकाना उनी दो भोज दिसम गुरु गमके तो भोज दिसम उनी अजब जन्म लेना है माने तो स्कूल रे दो ओडिया मैडम तक पढ़े तो ओना दो मयूरभंज स्टेट उन थे तो ओडिया मीडियम स्कूल रे सेटर नाई जते बेले अदो अदे ओंडे टीचर जहां मेना कुआ उनको दो को पढ़ाए हां इगन उड़िया ते जुदी को पढ़ाए अदो गुरु गमके he has this thing in my mind उनी तो मने मने ते भाबी आए कि why my teacher is not teaching me in my language which is Santal उनका भाभी का ते अदो ओड़ा ते सेटर ना है अदो आज बाबा कुली का ना है बाबा why is it like this चक्का चला उनका दो आदो बाबा ठन खन उनी अंजम क्या है कि our language अब भाषा दो it's an oral language katha katha rege rol tege onka mena ona na script ko writing ko chet ho ona na do bachun to tapre uni noa katha do this particular thing that his dad told him, it stayed in his mind. Unia monere tahen do hai na. Tapre when he was sent to another school in 1914, ni kati 7 kilometer distant una jhal do bang kana ikan seno hano din hilok do that would have been difficult. So ona sur re onde jahan midi khelo मैदान ko bena kate onde nijete khelo badaya ar unko onde ako atu orak sur re midi kapi buru midi jaga tahen there was this forest and this hill where he used to go, and apparently onda senok jogge 1925 re script bena kiya. तो उनका ते अब स्क्रिप्ट ऑल चिकी बेनाइना अब सांताल को भाषा जो रिटर्न ताहे ओरल ताहे रिटर्न फॉर्म है ना अब सांताल in Malani Leleka, we are spread across India, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Our mythic katha, just one more point, Santal Parsi Maha wearing ki Santal Hood, Santal rebellion that happened in 1855, June 30, 1855. No mobilization, no rebellion against no the both British as well as zamindari system. उन जो जहाँ ताहे तो उन जो का उनको against रे 1855 रे सिद्धू कानू चंद भैरव 4 brothers मैसा काते एक मूवमेंट को करा किया 1855 रे इखन if you Google first war of independence in India no 1855 रे को करा आना दो. But if you Google first war of independence in India, onar na date do hijua Sipahi Bidroho 1857. तो 12 serma malang re 2 years ago abo ge bon Santal ko Bidroho ko na koranga onar na manyata ho history book re bachweni. Ar nit na katha nongka kana ki status abo wherever we are Santals, we are learning in we are getting our basic educations in a different language, say English or Hindi or Bengali or Odia, etc. We have the burden ki abo the mythic language extra one language extra that we have to learn compared to others. That's the minimum. That creates extra burden, extra learning, steep learning curves are ona idiate social exclusion ho benaw dare gaya. तो आरहो नौकान परिस्थिति हुई कना नित की अबरिन सांताल टीचर्स को और नॉन सांताल टीचर्स को भीतर payment na porak ko mena sarkar government is not paying teachers of Santal language as equally as it is paying others back home in India, in Odisha. Nongkan katha ko mena ato mane guru gomke kin korak kin abo Santal माने हुल को दियाते आबो फ्रीडम लगी जहां को उन्नत को स्वाधीनता संग्राम के जहां को लगा लेना whoever have put that much effort, be that you have our all chiki guru gomke pandit Raghunath Murmu or revolutionary, rebels of pre-independence era. The point is, a lot of people has put a lot of effort into maintaining, conserving, and helping it grow our own language. And we should make a place for ourselves that we will, if not be proactively participate in social activities related to our language, we will at least learn the language ourselves. In a legate, in the Katakun, I don't know the
I'm Sarah Jitan Babu.
Ada na pa dyan.
Adikan apakin live betul alia. Jahan ke abu Parsi chat leka ona jahan mana bata na adikan netket one mena. Ado onai ko mana jitkar leka kate jahan mone hui na. Ona teke jitkar do ko metak kana palen. Cheda je noa din hilo poilo jitkar leka abu nyam keda palen. Ona teke bisi bhabren hor. Most of the people celebrate today itself, means like 22nd itself. Okay, so because the first stage of like what we can say, we won the like what we were looking for. So actually, that is the only reason I feel 22nd December has been like selected as a Parsi Jitkar Maha, or most of the people are celebrating on that particular day only. So of course, it is officially what it has been declared. Those date is different. Even though like abo do onage na 22nd mone kate bo manaw kada tehin do onage bo manaw bata. So thank you Jiten Babu for enlightening all the about our like Parsi Maha days or things or other whole and all our our all mare hor ko abo like abo disam ko ladai ko ulgan leda ona ko hom lai soda le ona lagi ama sarhaw. Akan nito do na lahasen bo chalaw idia. Nito do I will like nito do aboren sia students jahan abo talare nito mane nungka mone te adi reska buja aboren gidar ko adi napai noa jed da ar Mrs. Mainodi tikin jahan kin kurumutu te tihinga event reho kin kurumutu cho ka ko aboren babu dito ko nito do ha storytelling lay kate aboren sia student ko hijuk kana abo talare. So I will request Mainodi to present please.
Sanam koge sagun daram ardha johar ar Parsi Mahare adi udin natak le krem benaw kale ar adi kam samay ya I enrolled ladka napai ko karaw ka, and I am so proud of them. Ad tahana committee small guru gom ke tigina ye kan ge kahani kan ge adona gina akoror te ko liya bana antar mato kam no ye wale
Johar, inyat nyutum do adik. Barya beza rea kat. Mi ature barya beda tahen kana. Unkin do adikin reha gya. Nepel tarak ge kin ropo a.
Din atin te mit mudu hana saha no saha lekin tahe ena. Al onde konkin nepel go ena.
Mudure do adi dal nigin kan tahen parom lagi mittan katan gande len tahen.
Ropot lagi panar bhera takta chitan tekin dar senena घीर में tekin ropo ena
Takta konkin lebed hujun ena mundu dalikin nyul ena
Akin dukin nyun at unungon ena. भेड़ा लेका रेड़ते हैं दो बांग बुकिया भेड़ा लेका रेड़ते हैं दो बांग बुकिया सलहोता है गे बुकिया जोहार इंगानु तुम दो अंशिका बेसरा अलिंग दो बेंगलुरु भारत दिसोम जोहार
ina do streas
जोहार
indo Michigan USA
Johar, inyat nyutum do Adya Murmu from Canada.
Johar inya nitum do sami Montreal
India
Johar, ᱤᱧ ᱫᱚ ᱱᱤᱭᱩ ᱫᱤᱞᱞᱤ ᱠᱷᱚᱱ ᱜᱮ
ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱧᱩᱛᱩᱢ ᱫᱚ ᱥᱣᱟᱜᱚᱛ ᱢᱳᱦᱚᱱ ᱢᱩᱨᱢᱩ ᱤᱧ ᱫᱚ ओडिशा इंडिया खोदा कनाई
ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱵᱟᱵᱩ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱢᱟᱭᱱᱚᱫᱤ ᱟᱹᱞᱤᱧ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱵᱮᱱᱟ ᱟᱵᱚ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱤᱡ ᱠᱟᱹᱦᱱᱤ ᱟᱵᱚ ᱵᱟᱵᱩ ᱵᱤᱴᱤ ᱛᱟᱠᱚ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱤᱡ ᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱛᱟᱞᱟ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱵᱟᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟ ᱦᱟᱸᱰᱮ ᱱᱟᱰᱮ ᱠᱚ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱱ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱨᱮᱦᱚᱸ ᱢᱤᱫᱴᱤᱡ ᱥᱤᱠᱩᱭᱮন্স ᱛᱟᱞᱟ ᱛᱮᱠᱚ ᱠᱟᱹᱦᱱᱤ ᱠᱚ ᱵᱟᱰᱟᱭ ᱦᱚᱪᱚ ᱠᱮᱫ ᱵᱚᱱᱟ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱛᱮ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱟᱨ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱠᱩᱨᱩᱢᱩᱴᱩ ᱨᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱ ᱢᱟᱭᱱᱚᱫᱤ ᱛᱟᱹᱠᱤᱱ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱞᱤᱧ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱠᱤᱱᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱱᱚᱝᱠᱟ ᱜᱮ ᱵᱟᱵᱩ ᱵᱤᱴᱤ ᱛᱟᱠᱚ ᱟᱨᱚ ᱠᱟᱹᱦᱱᱤ ᱠᱚ ᱟᱸᱡᱚᱢᱟᱞᱮ ᱯᱮ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱱᱟᱯᱟᱭ ᱪᱮᱪᱮᱫᱚᱜ ᱛᱟᱵᱚᱱ ᱯᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱯᱟᱹᱨᱥᱤ ᱢᱟᱦᱟ ᱨᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱠᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱠᱟᱹᱢᱤ ᱦᱚᱨᱟ ᱠᱚᱞᱮ ᱧᱮᱞᱟ ᱛᱚ ᱟᱞᱮ ᱫᱚ ᱢᱚᱱᱮ ᱢᱚᱱᱮ ᱛᱮᱞᱮ ᱵᱩᱡᱟ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱫᱚ ᱟᱞᱮᱨᱮᱱ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱵᱟᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱᱟ মানে যে লাইটিং এক্সট্রা কেন ইউ অল আর দ্য ব্রাইট লাইক আওয়ার ফিউচার অ্যাকচুয়ালি যাহা আবো পার্সি লাই কাতে বো কথায়া মেনখান আপে পে বাঞ্চাও দহয় তাবনা লেকা আপে তালারে we we are believing you all like you will carry forward our janam parsi thank you all thank you very much
Yes.
let's will move forward Ada ko mena ayo arang chatiyar maha. That's what actually we will say that is the Parsi Jitkar Maha. Chatiyar means that day only it has been like named. We can say officially. That's all. Onai ko mena ayo arang chatiyar maha bargel bar December re means 22 on 22nd December. So ayo arang manao batao huyu tabon khelwar hopon. We have to celebrate actually. We have to celebrate because this is our mother tongue ayo arang jaha bo mena janam parsi tabo ona do abo manaw bata huyuk ge tabo na we should celebrate for that ado onai ko mena babo koya disaya bon sauta susar we will not beg for that actually we will do it actually we will do it wihar me uprum me chiki let's actually you remember your and like you like we can say like remember your chiki and urumtam ama janam parsi okay so identify your like what is your actually janam parsi okay so noa thing men keda je we are celebrating you should all know the importance why we are celebrating though okay so now we will move forward message from Dhoni Hokonba Dr. Dhoni Hokonba Dhoni Saran Dr. Dhoni Saran So video clip because unfortunately today he is not available here like live. So we are missing Dhoni Hokonba a lot because always any program, any event he will be available and before time we can say like so like big thanks to him even though he is not available physically but he has sent message to all of us. So I request Devendra Da to present please.
Johar Almindo. Yes. He just Dhoni Ponba being the senior most person here, and how do you say? In spite of that, he is very actively participating in our activities, and as you all know, he has his most of his families in UK, and this is Christmas time, so he has some family commitments, so he cannot be with us. But he sent us a video, a message. So let us just listen to that.
Johar, everybody there. And first of all, I would request your forgiveness for not being able to join you. But I would like to send you a message about mother tongue is a Santali language, which was originally an oral language without a script and was passed on over the generations by the spoken words and survived. It is used to communicate with parents since birth and then with other family members and then to the rest of the people in the community and beyond. We conveyed our love, affection, feeling to others, including anger. It makes us human and different from other living beings. Our language is a structured system of communication, speech, sign, and writing. but we did not have script of our own until it was brought to us by the European missionaries in the late 19th century, and they gave us the first script, Roman, after trial and error. This was followed by, after the independence of the country, by Devanagari, Bengali, Uriya, depending where we were living. Then the Old Tiki came, which was developed and invented by a Santal named Pandit Raghunath Murmu Thakur of Odisha. So now we have 5 scripts to choose from. I do not know any other language having so many scripts. It is part of our culture and identity of our people, and we should be proud of it. Mother tongue once learned is never forgotten. We are fortunate to be naturally trilingual from birth. We speak our mother tongue within the 4 walls of the house and regional language outside the house, depending on where we live, and of course English when we go to school and colleges. Not many people have such an advantage which give them a head start. So parents and children, remember this and do not let your children and community down, and be proud of your rich cultural heritage and language. Thank you and Johar.
Very nice. You said very significant words on the occasion of Parsi Jitkar Maha.
Thank you, Opanna. Thank you, big thanks to you. We will convey him that all the thanks to him actually on behalf of SIA, because he is the senior most member and always he will available for the all occasion. But as Devendra told, his commitment was there, it is was clear commitment, so he could not attend the today's event. So we'll move forward now. So actually the kids, our kids, SIA kids, really they are the lightning star, they are doing day by day progress. We are seeing on the occasion, any in event when we are organizing, so we are seeing their progress. Really it is a very nice progress, because of all credit goes to our Mr. Jeda Murmu and Mrs. Mainodi. So I request now for the from the presentation by our CI student, CI student, and request Jadesarda to please assist them. And really we are looking forward in a very good message from the children, and very good their own thought, actually thought. Of course we have helped them, but really they are very much interested to write some stories or something about Olchiki or our Parsi. So I really impressed with the all children. The day by day their progress I am seeing on the in Olchiki or on our literature, you can say our language and our literature. So thank you very much for the both of your efforts. Our children are progressing. Now they are coming with the something, so we'll have look for that actually. Thank you. Nito do abotalare babu beti to ko sodara bona. Nito do jare sardaling request here one by one based on your sequence and present please.
So nito do abarin Olchiki chanachare jahan ge babu ko beti to ko seledok kana nuku ko Olchiki jahan ko ol ka aqua story ki chedak noa Olchiki rek node ko seledok kana ona ko nyel sodan. So now all our SIA kids who are participating in Santali class will present the story or the reason why they are participating in Santali class. So the story is written in Olchiki, so they will read and hopefully you can understand. And that's very significant and very nice story they have written. Okay, let me share my screen. ओके अंजिका बेटी
जोहार इना नुतुम दो अंजिका बेसरा बेंगलुरु इंडिया खन इन दो ऑलचिकी नुआ खातिर तें सेड़ाएदा चेदा से ऑलचिकी चेद लेखान संताड़ी लाइलाकचार आर पाराब पुनाई बोंगा बुरु बाबत तें बड़ाई नुआ साउते ऑलचिकी चेद लेखान आरहो हर कोई लय दड़े कोआ इंगा मोने ते दो ऑलचिकी चेद लेखान ऑलचिकी जोस बार साई बारगेल मोड़े रे मिद गोड़ो होई गोड़ो या आयमा सरहसिया मानतान जे मुर्मू आर मानतिया माइनो मुर्मू ऑलचिकी चेद होचो बखरा परसी महारे देबोन गिरया परसी महारे देबोन गिरया जनाम परसिया दुखबो सहाया जनाम परसिया दुखबो सहाया दिसम दुनिया रे देबोन लहाया दिसम दुनिया रे देबोन लहाया जनाम आड़ंगते रोड और देबोन सेड़ाया जनाम आड़ंगते रोड और देबोन सेड़ाया सगुन परसी महा जोहार जोहार इंगा तुम दो अंशिका बेसरा बेंगलुरु इंडिया खन इन दो संताड़ी ऑल आर रोड नोआ खतिर तें सेड़ेदा चेदा से संताड़ी दो इंगा जनाम आड़ंग कना अतु दिसम को सेनो जोह अतु रेन होड़ कोठेन नाइते नपाइते गपल मराव दड़ेया आ इन गोड़म हड़ाम आर गोड़म बूढ़ी सला रस्का सला गलोच दड़ेया आ आयमा सरहाव सिया मानतान जे मुर्मू आर मानतिया माइनो मुर्मू ऑलचिकी चेद होचो बखरा जनाम ऑल दो सरी बराही कना जनाम ऑल दो सरी बराही कना सनाम संताड़ कोय तोल दोहो बना सनाम संताड़ कोय तोल दोहो बना सगुन परसी महा जोहार जोहार इन्या नुतुम दो श्रुति इन दो नोवा सांतली चोनोच रे ऑलचिकी आर पारसी चेदो लगीत सेदो तेने इन्या कुशल केल कादा जिम्नास्टिक सॉकर और स्विमिंग आई मिस राव
तो दो श्रेयस बेटा श्रेयस मुर्मू
इन दो नवा चनच रे बार शर्मा खन सांथाली रॉड चिकी चेदो कानान इना साउंता आर अरिचली जगाव दो लगित इन सांताली परसी आर चिकी चेदो काना भारत दिसम इन सीन लेखान ओड़ा हर आर पेड़ा हर सांतार ते रपोर दारे इन जोहार
अडी नपाय बेटा सो नितो दो समीक मुर्मू
Indo Santal Hall. Senakate. Indo Santal Sauta Masal Santal Benav Lagid Indo Parsi Chiki Chedo Kanai. Noa Chanach Re Santali Arichali Al Parsi Chedo Lagid Seledo Kanai.
अडी नपाय
Good job.
सो तापरे नितो दो आदित्रि मुर्मू आदित्रि बेटी नाउ सो आदित्रि दो स्टोरी लेया बिरजिल दना डियर
Mid दिन दही रे बारह बिरजिल किन ताहे काना दही रे अधिगान तासात हों ताहे काना नुकिन बिरजिल नोआ दही रे अतिन किन कुसिया आ मिद दिन गोगो बिरजिल दो दा अगुई सेन एना होर रे गोगो बिरजिल दो अजी जोताव जेब्राई नियल केतेया जेब्राई मेन केया तेहेन दौर जारी लगे नोआ खबर बादाय होचो ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱜᱚᱜᱚ ᱵᱤᱨᱡᱤᱞ ᱫᱚ ᱡᱮᱵᱨᱟᱭ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱠᱮᱫᱮᱭᱟ᱾ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱛᱟᱭᱚᱢ ᱜᱚᱜᱚ ᱵᱤᱨᱡᱤᱞ ᱫᱚ ᱫᱟᱜ ᱤᱫᱤ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱚᱲᱟᱜ ᱮ ᱪᱟᱞᱟᱣ ᱮᱱᱟ᱾ ᱤᱱᱟᱹ ᱦᱤᱞᱳᱜ ᱫᱚ ᱫᱤᱱ ᱜᱚᱴᱟᱭ ᱦᱚᱭ ᱫᱟᱜ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟ, ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱞᱮᱠᱟ ᱡᱮᱵᱨᱟᱭ ᱢᱮᱱ ᱞᱮᱜᱼᱟ᱾ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱷᱟᱹᱛᱤᱨ ᱵᱤᱨᱡᱤᱞ ᱫᱚ ᱫᱟᱹᱦᱤ ᱛᱮ ᱛᱟᱥᱟᱫ ᱡᱚᱢ ᱵᱟᱹᱠᱤᱱ ᱥᱮᱱ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱫᱟ᱾ ᱫᱚᱥᱟᱨ ᱦᱤᱞᱳᱜ ᱥᱮᱛᱟᱜ ᱛᱮᱫᱚ ᱡᱟᱹᱲᱤ ᱢᱩᱪᱟᱹᱫ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱡᱚᱢ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱟᱹᱰᱤᱜᱟᱱ ᱛᱟᱥᱟᱫ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱫᱟᱹᱦᱤ ᱨᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ᱾ ᱛᱟᱥᱟᱫ ᱡᱚᱢ ᱡᱟᱱᱣᱟ ᱠᱚ ᱫᱟᱹᱦᱤ ᱨᱮ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱨᱟᱹᱥᱠᱟᱹ ᱛᱮ ᱛᱟᱥᱟᱫ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱚᱢ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟ᱾
Okay,
Johar.
very nice. Adi napa? So,
Napa?
Adia beti, now it's your turn.
ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ ᱠᱟᱱᱟᱰᱟ ᱫᱤᱥᱚᱢ ᱨᱮ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱤᱧᱟᱹᱜ ᱯᱟᱹᱨᱥᱤ ᱟᱨ ᱟᱹᱨᱤᱪᱟᱹᱞᱤ ᱵᱟᱹᱧ ᱟᱫᱼᱟ᱾ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱫᱤᱥᱚᱢ ᱨᱮ ᱠᱚᱢ ᱜᱮ ᱥᱟᱱᱛᱟᱲ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱢᱮᱱᱟᱜ ᱠᱚᱣᱟ᱾ ᱤᱥᱠᱩᱞ ᱨᱮᱦᱚᱸ ᱤᱝᱞᱤᱥ ᱟᱨ ᱯᱷᱨᱮᱧᱪ ᱛᱮ ᱯᱟᱲᱦᱟᱣᱟᱹᱧ᱾ ᱚᱞᱪᱤᱠᱤ ᱟᱨ ᱥᱟᱱᱛᱟᱲ ᱯᱟᱹᱨᱥᱤ ᱪᱮᱫᱚᱜ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱦᱟᱯᱛᱟ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱥᱟᱱᱛᱟᱲᱤ ᱪᱟᱱᱟᱪ ᱨᱮ ᱤᱧ ᱥᱮᱞᱮᱫᱚᱜᱼᱟ᱾ ᱨᱚᱲ ᱤᱧ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱠᱷᱟᱱ ᱥᱟᱶᱛᱟ ᱨᱤᱱ ᱦᱚᱲ ᱥᱟᱞᱟᱜ ᱥᱟᱱᱛᱟᱲ ᱛᱮ ᱤᱧ ᱨᱚᱯᱚᱲ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱪᱤᱠᱤ ᱤᱧ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱞᱮᱠᱷᱟᱱ ᱪᱤᱠᱤ ᱛᱮ ᱚᱞ ᱤᱧ ᱯᱟᱲᱦᱟᱣ ᱫᱟᱲᱮᱭᱟᱜᱼᱟ᱾ ᱚᱱᱟ ᱥᱟᱶ ᱟᱵᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱯᱟᱹᱨᱥᱤ ᱵᱟᱧᱪᱟᱣ ᱫᱚᱦᱚᱭᱟ᱾
Adi napa?
ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ
Tiket kada ko sebab to ar mitang aling huding dara tahan kena mitang minute ling jabat raka. So I am also going to just read one small paragraph of why I am learning and why we are teaching the Olchiki. Acha Johar sanam ko iñak nyutum do Jhareson Murmu, iñak janam parsi do Santari. Olchiki do abo Santal hopona chiki. Parsi ar chiki chet ar jogao do iñak daivar kana. Parsi ar chiki hirin lekhan abwa lakchar ar arichali adoa. Ona khatir Parsi ar chiki chedok kanain ar gidra ko chedako kanain. Tapare noa mitang select lana adi best story mitang olakat tabana Shruti adoñ bhabi difficult to padhaw adoñ padhaw kat Shruti biti are you okay if I read the story for you? Adi best story olakai ona do huyuk kan taya nyutum do huyuk kana gate onolia do huyuk kana Shruti Murmu. Padhaw lagi anyam tawan pe pay attention, okay, very nice story. Raha ar sarjom nyutuman baria boya kin tahen kana. Unkin rin baria gate kin tahen kana rimil ar ipil. Mid din nukin gate dulung gadi saute dejok lagit kukli kin hej lena. Sarjom do he men ki ay ar raha do bang men ki ay. Chedak se raha do kichu bonga malange ti supu raput lena lentaya ar dohla bang rapudok sanaye kana. Tobe aji boya ar gate bako raji lena. Noa khatir raha ar sarjom ona hilok kin tapamena. Puilu maha do raha ar sarjom bakin ropol lena ᱫᱚᱥᱟᱨ ᱦᱤᱞᱳᱜ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱵᱟᱝ, ᱛᱮᱥᱟᱨ ᱦᱤᱞᱳᱜ ᱦᱚᱸ ᱵᱟᱝ, ᱚᱱᱠᱟᱜᱮ 5 ᱢᱟᱦᱟ ᱫᱷᱟᱹᱵᱤᱡ ᱵᱟᱹᱠᱤᱱ ᱨᱚᱯᱚᱲ ᱞᱮᱱᱟ। ᱟᱡ ᱟᱭᱳ ᱫᱚᱭ ᱵᱩᱡᱽ ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟ ᱪᱮᱫ ᱪᱚᱝ ᱵᱟᱹᱲᱤᱡ ᱟᱠᱟᱱᱟ। ᱚᱱᱟ ᱠᱷᱟᱹᱛᱤᱨ ᱩᱱᱤ ᱫᱚ ᱜᱤᱫᱽᱨᱟᱹ ᱠᱚ ᱞᱟᱹᱜᱤᱫ ᱥᱟᱨᱯᱨᱟᱭᱤᱡ ᱯᱟর্টি ᱥᱟᱯᱲᱟᱣ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟᱭ। ᱩᱱᱤ ᱫᱚ ᱜᱤᱫᱽᱨᱟᱹ ᱠᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱠᱩᱥᱟᱹᱞ ᱡᱚᱢᱟᱜ ᱵᱮᱱᱟᱣ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟᱭ, ᱰᱩᱸᱵᱩᱜ, ᱡᱤᱞ ᱯᱤᱴᱷᱟᱹ, ᱜᱩᱞᱟᱵ ᱡᱟᱢᱩ, রসগোল্লা আর আডি সিবিলা আইসক্রিম। গিদ্রে কো সরস জমা জম কাতে আডি রস্কে এনাকো আর নোয়া কো চেত কিয়া সিবিল জম তেদো আড়িস আপড়িস কো চাবাআ। উনকু উনকু যত কো লান্দা কিয়া আর দহড়া গাতে এনাকো।
Oh, so sweet.
Very nice.
Wow.
Lay kaya Sruti ado lingdi kya padha ado ling manaya kan tan ehop lodo but tainam ti lay kya wala ka unang yete nadon padha anjama ko gya sanam ko. It's very nice Sruti. We
Okay,
love
come on, Sruti.
thank you everyone and our program chit mena actually ado noa saute lin bhabi tha je adya mitang quiz banaw ka ado letka ko this is specifically for kids. Let's complete that session then we'll move to the next session. What do you think?
Sure.
Yes, correct.
Adya, now you take over.
Mr. Jeda, one point I want to add here, actually, connecting to that only. Now, our children, about our children only. Actually, everyone are really brilliant and they are doing very good. So here I am not telling who are good or bad. Everyone are very good, excellent. And like I will appreciate more the youngest one, both of them, like Aditri and Suti. Okay, because their story was so big and so nice. So like that only you all also little make it like broader and bigger. So we'll have more enjoy. So thank you all. Next time I hope all of you will bring little bigger and bigger story in front of us. We will enjoy for that. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
No, I want to add here though. I don't want to miss. Whoever did not write the long story, that's fine. But I think everybody it looks like wrote very nice words and nice things. Why they are learning. Even Shamik wrote very small, but he wrote to the point. Adya, same thing, right? She little longer, but very good points that they're mentioning. Why they are learning.
Really learning.
Ar mitang talar na li hiri kanta Sachit beta hana akachi padhaw lagi de to I think before Adya get ready your quiz so I think Sachit beta am jodi ready kam kichi lay anjom akwa so you can now. Okay?
Johar, iyar nyutum do Sachit Murmu kana. In cheda ol chiki ched e ain. Iyar janam adang do Santali kana. Santal road do ol chiki tege postao te ol gano a. Eta chiki te do postao ate ol bang gano a. Ol road ar dharam atlen khan in hoy ado a. Onate ol road ar dhorom do tiso bang hiringa. Ol chiki che talate sanam santar boya mesi ar ayo baba ko sao nepel napam ar peda naam koa.
Adi napay here beta.
Sachit Babu.
Good job.
I'm a
Johan, na quiz book karawa. Na quiz to all cheeky class se jahan bo che aka ona koja ke banawakan. There are 15 questions. You'll get 20 seconds to answer each question.
I think everybody ready now.
Okay, I want to start.
Okay, here you go. It's coming now. What magic? Oh, you didn't share.
No, okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh. You can share again or?
Yeah, share
How
again.
many letters are in the old cheeky script? So you can choose 41, 27, 29, or 30.
Okay, let's see sound connected on. Okay, if I play now. Next.
Yeah. The next question is, What year was Magic? Nobody got it?
Nobody got it?
No.
Okay. It's fine, hard question about it. Look at the question.
What year does Mashiram Lakshmi write this book?
Oh, someone said.
There's something right.
Okay, let's go to 4.
Which of these letters are Raha?
Wait, what? Ow.
Which year was Santali recognized as an official language?
What the good?
What is the turtle called?
Difficult. All right. Yes. Sajjit first. Which state was it?
Which state was Mashiram Lakshmi? Which village was Pandit Karna's Mumma born?
Got it. Next page.
When was Old Chiki first publicized? The first book Pandit Karna's Mumma wrote. How many people in India speak Santali?
Got it. Okay, let's the person read the traditional.
What is traditional Santali saree?
And to forget how many codes you have.
13.
Okay.
In the story Bharya Bheda Reya Kata, what happened to the thief in the end?
Take this. Nobody answer it.
Nice one.
Nice one. Nice one.
Last question. Is the last question.
What is autumn season called in Sanskrit?
Everybody got it. Good job. Last one.
Here's the last
Ready.
question.
Be ready.
Okay, true or false? That reaction is called Konye insan.
Okay, let's
In
wait
third
for
place is
Yay.
Anshika and Anjita.
Yay.
Yes.
Clap, clap.
Second place is Shamit.
Honey.
First place is
Very good. Congratulations, everyone. Well played.
Clap for everyone. Good job, everyone.
Good job, Adri.
Good job, Adya. Good job, excellent.
And I am thinking maybe first, second, third, all of them I will give a prize because in first, second will be not enough. So third also will get some prize.
Yes, next one there. You have to give.
Thank you for playing.
Yeah, but
Thank you, Adya.
really excellent job.
So keep it up, all of you. Thank you very much for organizing quiz question activity. So thank you very much and well organized in time.
Yes. One more time. So proud of you, Adya.
Yeah, sure.
The syllabus is
Yes. I think okay, we'll go forward.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Jada. All organized reading part what they have made, and you have collectively you made a sequence and displays for all of them. Nicely they studied, they read it very nice. So all kids are progressing. Hopefully they will do it still better in upcoming days or upcoming years or upcoming events. So thank you very much. Now we will go with a video clip from BCL students. So once again, I will request Jadasarda to please present.
Jara sabu to kay barya line kan lego din pache odi ba buju kan oka check kana se oka na kana jan bin padai din.
Correct.
So all of you might remember Rudram and Rakshi. Last year they were joining class, but they went back to India. And their parents, they have a library called Bidu Chandan Library in their village. So they also celebrated Parsi Maha, and they performed this two Nehor song. It's very similar to what you are performing, like Bidu Chandan, but it's a different tune. Mr. Dukhiram has requested us that we play it here. ᱚᱱᱟᱜᱮ ᱵᱟᱨᱭᱟ ᱥᱮᱨᱮᱧ ᱛᱟᱦᱮᱸ ᱠᱟᱱᱟ ᱞᱟᱭᱵᱨᱟᱨᱤ ᱡᱷᱟᱲᱠᱷᱚᱸᱰ ᱠᱷᱚᱱᱟᱜ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱥᱮᱴᱮᱨ ᱞᱮᱱ ᱛᱟᱵᱚᱱᱟ ᱢᱤᱥᱴᱟᱨ ᱫᱩᱠᱷᱤᱨᱟᱢ ᱦᱮᱢᱵᱨᱚᱢ ᱛᱤᱠᱤᱱ ᱠᱤᱱ ᱵᱷᱮᱡᱟ ᱞᱮᱜᱼᱟ ᱚᱱᱟᱜᱮ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱵᱚᱱ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱠᱮᱜᱼᱟ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ
ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱟᱭᱢᱟ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱡᱚᱜᱮᱥᱥᱚᱨ ᱫᱟ ᱟᱵᱮᱱ ᱛᱟᱞᱟᱛᱮ ᱱᱚᱣᱟ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱵᱚᱱ ᱥᱮᱴᱮᱨ ᱠᱮᱫᱟ ᱟᱨ ᱵᱚᱱ ᱩᱫᱩᱜ ᱥᱚᱫᱚᱨ ᱠᱮᱫᱟ. It is displayed by you. It's a very nice thing. Actually, all of you, I want to tell you, like all kids, don't feel like this is also one of the Nehor. Nehor saying any way you can sing it. Actually, that anyway, I mean to say like not simply, but like there is a 2 or 3 ways and place to place they used to do, but the meaning is same and point is same. Okay, so everything is same. How we will pray, we are also doing that. That is also okay. And these things they have dictated actually along with the all guru. They Vidhu Chandan. They have included to guru all guru also. Okay. So all guru also. So okay, fine, very nice. So nice to see. Actually, these are the live school where actually our Santali classes will be conducting actually. Okay. So thank you very much. So now abo talare nito Anjika Ansika biti tikino jahan guru gomke all serenge abo talare kin sereng ajom abona jahan guru gomke do na do dom sereng men kate all kade abo lecture sereng re potop re ado ona sereng kin mone ke aje bang lili sereng amente ado now they are coming with the all menak tama road menak tama sereng. So Anjika Ansika biti please go ahead.
All mena atama rod mena atama doro mena atama amho mena. All mena atama rod mena atama doro mena atama amho mena. Olem adlere rodem adlere doromem adlere amhom ado. Olem adlere rodem adlere doromem adlere amhom ado. Ama ora alagid ama duar lagid jahai do bai nela amgem nela jahai do bai nela amgem nela. Ama jati lagid ama dorom lagid jahai do bai nela amgen elmen jahai do bai nela amgen elmen. Jahai do bainela amgenel Jahai.
Adi napai biti adi napai
Adi napai biti Anjika Ansika aben
Napa.
sereng talate ben uihara dia je abo Parsi Maha bo manaw da onna kukmu ho onage kana ar onage mahat ho kana no Parsi rena ar onage guru gomke sereng talate adigan pasnaw rena kosis kadai ar he has wrote many songs on behalf of our Parsi Arang, our Lai Lakchar, Para Punai. There is a lot of variety of songs. So he was actually basically he was such a person or such a we can say he was a really god. Actually we can say he was different types of imagination. So the way he can spread our culture and language and how he can keep alive. So he was trying in the various way. So really it is a normal people, I think they cannot do we can say it is a really impossible things to think on that particular time. He has initiated all the things through the various way he was spreading. So how I have to connect it with the people and these things I will reach out with the people. People normally when there was no language, there was the initial phase, and then how he can reach. So he was thinking at least people can speak. So reading, writing, maybe it will take time. So he tried over by the song and all. He was trying to reach out with the people. And so this was the only thing he had. So really, it's a great thing. We are today, because of him, we have a lot of things we can say. So thank you very much, all of you. Aima sarhau sanam ko dohra ado sarhau ekla do bang mano mane abo onage har samay mena mane okto mane abo bo jodak kana bo, we have really connected with our culture, like we are trying to keep our strengthen, we can say, not keep, like we are strengthening our language, or like our culture, we are towards that we are doing. So hopefully I feel very proud, all of you, really I will thank each and everyone. So now some of the things I have wrote, so small one, maybe it is look big also. So what we do before we'll go with the quiz, or shall I read out something, some few things I have written?
Sure, absolutely. We definitely would like to hear what you wrote. But I think kids have another small piece to present. I think let's give them a chance first, and then.
Yes.
जोहार गे और थोड़ा सनाम को गे एक्चुअली जहां लड़का को अड़ी नपा नपा को माने को चेको मेना छे नोडे खाली ओनली ऑल छे रोड़े क्लास वाले चलो कना नोडे दाक्वा जहां लीडरशिप क्वालिटी जहां ओना ना चेदो कना को आज लीडर क्वालिटी ऑलरेडी अबिन आदिया ठनी लो कना ऑलरेडी इवन श्रमिक हो नोडे चेका कंपनी ये मन ठीक है नोडे तो ओना माने इट्स नॉट ओनली वे लर्निंग ओनली ऑल्टरेशन संताल कल्चर चे ऑल चे रोड चे ओना साउंड जहां इंटरनल मीटे जहां जिनिस के ओना गडिस ना कथा. And I'm so proud of you guys that, early in the morning just to learn a Parsi while getting up. That's the biggest challenge. Not even, it's not possible. That means, thank you to all the parents. Jahan jadka ko nachta ko siknat ko kana che banga padha pe beret pe arno Parsi ma bakra Parsi abo santa chiki chel bakha beret kana ko time lag beret kana ko raya ko. That itself is a really really very good thing. Jahan ko consistency jahan pe maintain yan ka do pe. And I am so proud of you, and I believe one day you will be ambassador for this. यहाँ से आप ambassador बनकर जाओगे ये मेरा बहुत बहुत मैं सोच रही हूँ मुझे दिखाई भी दे रहा है. So and जो third best करा क्या पे? So anything whatever you learn, unless you have something art craft and all, it does not work. So practically उनको चेतो कराओ का आपको आते का उन्हें वो नहीं होगा. मातो खान will start with little one. Aditri बेटी.
Johar, inyat nyutum do Aditri, ar in do da retahin, animal benahin.
Da reta hai animal bena kat ko are ona विषय दिखावो ना ona शांति बोन नीला हाँ चिली में ना करे
Paku.
good job अड़ी ना पाए और ओला कैसे मांगना पड़ा और ना ओला दिखावे yes और कौन दे
next
No do rote.
you nak cakap mana kau ni angin ola kaya Aditri nak cakap cute
Yes, Aditya the handwriting the ये के बेस करता है.
Very cute.
card लेकर ये लोग का my god I can't believe it
so taking so close
No do taya.
हे भगवान just can't believe it ओला बेटा yes
all pale उल्टा nyalok kan
bang masih
Correct.
ada nyelok kana so proud of you I can't believe it see
Horo.
oh my god nak dapat cerah horror yes my god ada dapat unak cerah
Ano do da hati.
oh dah tu memang gana kada ya they're so cute like you
Rin na pa.
Una all yali bain pode ka ay kre laga men te mase okay mena ko chede kanare namre ki ladka una chera tak all ya ko rode ako
next time
No do kakom.
oh ni senda pa chera
Rin na pa.
rin pa Oh, come on. Adi napai. Aima sarap.
Sabar.
Good job.
Johar, inyat nyutum do Adya Murmu ar in chene ko banaukan. No do miru.
Oh my God, they both are so good artists.
So slowly, little bit, right? You are going so slow, so you cannot see in the screen. So repeat it again. Just show it. Keep it for a second or two.
Yeah.
Just close to.
Yeah, like that. Good.
Oh my God.
Nui do miru. Tanai.
Adi napai, Adya.
Ar nui do mara. Tanai.
Mara also doanya me beta kati. Yes, we can read that. Okay. Next, achur me.
Turn around.
Spelling wrong did that.
Manka do
Ma,
anga.
ठीक है
Adi napai. Nyelok kan ini.
Ar nui do kokor tanai.
Oh,
cute kokor
they're so artists. Oh my God. Oh, kokor.
wonderful
Wonderful. The parents see
Nui
working.
do parwa tanai.
Oh, see.
beautiful parwa
Napai.
Canadian parwa.
अयो नचरा लीलावती बिली मुझे लगता है खरकल आए आप सब
Nui do kaku tanai.
beautiful
Oh, nice.
Not a sorry, girl, Chichit.
कहू
Kahu. Kahu, okay. तो कलर नहीं हुआ ना तो व्हाइट कहू
चुनाव में कनाडा में वो ये ठंडा में
कनाडियन कहू चिचर
Color change at my go.
सुनो ते पुढचे बाय ना
Nui do gidi tanai.
all right
wow that's cool
Hold it. Put that me.
अड़ी नापाई
Nui do koyal tanai.
तो ये लो
all right
cute cute do now again oh look at okay good job
Tabakin.
अड़ी नापाई Shreya Shanti
Ina nutum do Shreyash Mono. In do jungly animal do banako. What do Rudda.
she lived okay
nui do actually
hi
nui do you have to say nui do
Nui do Tur.
you my God so cute
थोड़ी
so cute
Sorry,
you can
what is the first one? I missed it.
ola kam
serious ola काम से बांग
yeah
ola do
yeah see runda
Ruda is wolf.
Yeah.
yeah that's funny because you look at this woman
is like a wild cat
तो सीम अत की रुंडा
but I see oh baap re so nice
Very nice.
good
oh God can you believe it runda only
Noa do Tur.
oh that's so cute
será nui do
Nui do Tur.
wow
good
adi na pai
best
adi best latar ka te ye nyama ठीक है अच्छा
Nui do Tuyu.
all right
agad isro nyuse
adi kira nyalo kana
oh my God
Nice.
so nice dude and ye can different
to you all right very good
you are they look the same but he made it different okay so typing adi na pai
Noa do Nui do Hanu.
Hanu.
oh so
good
oh my God
aka kana
Good.
Noa do Nui do sorry Basta.
hoyo ye ona ye reindeer type ka na je ko hoy
anta de kira
Hudin reindeer chichar.
hoy hodi hodi jara hoy
আর নওয়া দো নুই দো গান্ডা
Genda.
Ganda. Water elephant?
Bangla
Rhino.
Rhino kana.
Okay, rhino.
Rhino Santal to juju, win bra.
Huh? Genda.
Santal to ngana betul.
Hoy. Are hana dhani parang alitri gola kya iya anda iya anda hati.
Okay.
Adi na pai.
very nice. Yes. Good. Excellent.
Yeah, Shruti. Shruti singer ये लोग छोटे पर alitri ya.
Johar. Inya nyutum do Shruti. Ar Indo Jonli animals benaw.
See?
Inya hati.
Adi jara.
Cute happy.
Camera ka dekat nyo se. Oh, okay.
Inya do sarong.
Oh, see. Adi na. Apa itu naga? Hola guys, good.
Inya do jatya turu.
Masih, oh secara tajam terus jalan kan. Oh, अपने से बच्चे ने किया सो I'm happy हाँ.
Inya do bana.
Bana masih bana चलो करना good. Yes. Bana अड़ी ना पाए श्रुति.
Inya do sipil.
Sini? Sipil हो गया हाँ उसको ये बोलते हैं. हाँ वो ये हिरन.
Oka ka jo hibon chike ko.
Inya do cheta.
Cetra.
Chetra. Nui do chetra.
Kata नहीं. अड़ी ना.
Inya do kulai.
Oh kulai वो तो ना पाए. Kulai. Oh okay.
Inya do sarong.
Oh see. अड़ी ना. apa itu naga? Hola guys, good.
Inya do jatya turu.
Masih, oh secara tajam terus jalan kan. Oh, अपने से बच्चे ने किया सो I'm happy हाँ.
Inya do bana.
Bana masih bana चलो करना good. Yes. Bana अड़ी ना पाए श्रुति.
Inya do sipil.
Sini? Sipil हो गया हाँ उसको ये बोलते हैं. हाँ वो ये हिरन.
Oka ka jo hibon chike ko.
Inya do cheta.
Cetra.
Nui do chetra.
Kata नहीं. अड़ी ना.
Inya do kulai.
Oh kulai वो तो ना पाए. Kulai.
Inya do
Itu.
bor sukri.
Oh.
Sukri.
Ya bu. Oh.
Very nice. Excellent, Shruti.
Arina Pasuti. Good job. Excellent. Okan Sajid.
Sorry.
Yeah. Oh my God, see? Saya benar depan.
One do ro kanai.
Oh, Kasmi.
Do mar hata kanai.
Nuido.
Nui do mar hata kanai. Nui do sikri kanai.
Oh my God.
Nui do konta kanai.
Konta mana muy.
Noa do
Nuido beta.
Nui.
Nui do patni kanai. Nui do pipidiyam kanai.
Ayu unna pae.
Noa do kidding katkom kanai.
Nuido.
Nui do rai takara kanai.
Oh wow, adina pae. Yeah, good.
Nui do dhumur kanai.
Muy do rerem kanai.
All right.
Adina pae.
Alma Saram.
Next ko kahalan kita do and ya. Midin de korok ya. Ana pore anjik.
Johad inya nutum do Shamik and being domestic animals benau kana.
Okay.
Nui do film.
उल्टा kan. Okay.
ठीक है
Man ठीक है हाँ सिम ठीक है बेटा. It's good.
So the image.
Yeah,
Yeah, good.
yes.
Very nice. Wow.
Good.
Hey
Wonderful.
भगवान दे वाला से artist यहाँ पर artist भरे हैं.
Nui do Bidi.
भीड़ी. Okay भीड़ी.
All right.
Oh, all right.
Show the picture first. Picture first and later. Right. Nui do Sukri.
Wow.
Oh my God, it's क्या भी बच्चे हैं.
Sukri.
Kita sukri lekan yang luar kan aja. Orina pai sami
Nui do Kada.
kada.
All right.
Kada.
Nui do Melon.
Mera.
Wow.
Oh,
So nice, so nice.
Ah,
very nice.
Nui do Dangri.
Oh, see, dangri
Enough,
mana आटा
dangri
बिना
का.
masih बिना kan ये.
Dangri, yes, yes.
Dangri.
Hold it again. Nui do Seta.
I like this. That's so cute.
Seta, yes.
Seta, orina pai seta.
So nice, so nice.
Nui do Gede.
Gede.
Oh, gede. So cute.
Gede. Nui do Pusi.
Wow.
So pretty.
And Johan.
Very nice. You know, excellent art.
Excellent.
Good job, Samik.
Thank
Ah,
you.
No problem.
Like.
Johar, ingat natum do Anshika. Ingat natum do Anjika Besra. Aling do jo jinis gana kadaling.
Light, huh?
Noa do kanthar kana.
Yeah.
Orina pai.
Yes,
You
yes.
unik
Noa do kumbada kana. Noa do kumbada kana. Ar noa do joda kana. Ar noa do ul kana.
Ibu nak cakap benar kau, oh my God. Seri lekan nyelak kana tu.
Ar noa do angur kana. Noa do kaira kana. Noa do
Madar.
madgom kana.
Madar.
Madgom kana.
Orina pai.
Nargel kana. Nargel kana.
Oh, orina pai.
Very nice. Ute.
Very good one.
Adina pai.
Orina pai kerana.
Aling putu jinis ko benar kadaling.
Oh, utu. Oh my God.
Noa do baha kubi kana. Noa do potong kubi kana.
Ayam.
Noa do karula kana. Karula kana. Noa do bengal kana. Noa do bundi kana. Noa do kohonda kana. Noa do malhan kana. Noa do jhinga kana. Noa do ud kana. And noa do bilati.
Excellent.
Kami hati ko bana kadaling.
Extra तो नहीं था लाइन में बना के लेकिन बाप रे माय ओके
Nui do chasi kanai.
और सूर्य में से गट्टी पीछे क्यूट
Take.
अड़ी ना पाए
Nui do muchi kanai.
ओ Adakhanti.
Nui do girl kanai. Girl kanai.
Good.
Nui do kunlal.
कुंकल
Kunkal kanai.
The butter.
Kunkal. Nui do mahale. Mahale kanai. Mahale.
Chekana ek.
Nui do bhandari kanai. Nui do durji kanai. Nui do satwa kanai.
Wow.
రెడీ నా కాదు
Nice, nice.
लास्ट तो चेता है ना
Satwa.
Lilith.
सत्तो तो चे
म्हणजे उनको ये को बना को उनको ज्वेलरी को बना जहाँ से ज्वेलरी को बना
ओके ओके गुड
ज्वेलरी को बना उनको भी तो मतलब
Okay. Ako jo bale bale ano bale bujhe.
हाँ सी next time kids will teach big kids में correct
एक्चुअली नोआ ड्राइंग को तो माने दोहो गनोआ अडी ना
यस यस
ओनाते मतलब ओना की
ये अडी ना कंपाइल का होय बिन laminate te do ka bin kana do ya
yeah yes
अडी ना पाइल सिकंजी
थैंक यू बेटा
I'm a sarau.
yeah अड़ी ना का actually second
कलर तो आखिर से चूज करते बेस्ट कलर करते
अडी
उन्हें
Very creative, very creative.
yeah it goes everything goes to Anita Maya si Abina because Abina ona ये में नाते इंचे नो आप करावा खाते ओना चेका respect
नोआ को बुक में छपा होगा ना
यस यस
Yes.
but I yeah
that I want to add on this. Actually, kids are really very much used to attend the class because interestingly, that is called interestingly, that you people have made them comfortable, so they are joining. Actually, if they have those types of tasks or like any things, they definitely they are trying to do. So one of the things, best things is happening. So okay, of course it is parents' encouragement, but we can say like whole and heartedly you both are putting effort, and you have made the kids comfortable so that they are learning. I feel that we all like credit goes to both of you. Thank you.
I'm a sarau. Yeah. Well said. Well said.
absolutely
Really, our kids are really great and great innovative idea given by our both the teachers like Machet Gongke Machetia taking jahan jikin play soda ko kantabon. They are learning very nice, so it's a good sign and good things happening. So now actually we will go forward. Our adults quiz is there, so I request like Devendra.
So are you sure everybody is up to it? I think so. We should not take too long. Okay. Then individual. As we know all, many of us are also learning Ponchiki in our own way. Shivabu has been guiding us and we all are learning. And so I thought it is good to have a few minutes spent on what we are learning and how much we learn. And as we keep saying, Pandit Raghunath Murmu has written very simple books, very initial books, right? They look like very effective and they have nice poems and limericks are there, right? So let me just go over that. I mean, we'll start that. I'm just pulling it up. So now, only thing is I'm wondering, we'll make it random. I was thinking we'll go one by one. So whatever I see on the screen, let's go that way. So everybody gets a chance, right? Then it's not like the Kahoot, right? Where everybody has to write a click button. We are just going to read it. So
yeah for like goes the talking now
bang Kahoot lika tawana back na mushkil hai. The quiz that
multiple choice
bachcha log ka nahi hai. So this is like first line is given and we are supposed to finish the remaining line, right? I was going to make it difficult by putting random lines. Don't be.
exam kawinan kan
First line mein na baki line puro pe and we'll go on the screen. I see Shivabu and Srijan to hamare class mein nahi hai, but so obviously he can watch. Then Leela Mai dekho, Lalit, Jiten, Asmani also not here. Then like that we'll go, right? So let me, we don't spend too much time. Everybody see the screen?
yes
yeah
Now this is like a flashcard, right? This one is you can read and then we go on the screen, right? Sin chando menai.
Sing bonga.
Sin bonga menai. Chando ho menai. Let's go to Lila Mai.
I can try one year kalsado. Sin bonga menai, chando ho menai. Ipil angel ko menak ko.
Yes.
Natam jetang kena.
Ipil angel ko menak ko. Hoy rimil ho menak.
Boleh melong.
rimil ko menak.
Hoy rimil ko.
Chas kami, sari kami.
If you pass, then Jiten.
No guess.
Jiten. Attempt.
I'll pass as well.
Like everybody is passing.
Oh, ini litren.
Hoy hoy majar sa babi.
Chas kami sari kami. Noa do babo bagi. Ona iki olok kami tison babo hiring.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Chas kami, sari kami, ona do babo bagia, ona ikit olok kami, tisho babo hirinya.
All right.
Oh, nice, very nice.
Okay, now we go to next one.
Muj kami kuru mutu.
Okay, now I think we should Dikhu Babu also. Dikhu Babu maybe attempt. You want to attempt? You want to attempt?
Koyak atan kan.
The Dukhi nahi meta kan hai, but बनाया से बन गया.
मैं करेंगे ओके बकास रीजन है
नहीं बटे वो लोग नहीं कर रहे. पास बोलते हैं. तुम you want to try?
Oh, ini jam kurai atau? Oh, lain. Okan ko. Muj kami kuru mutu. Uru kami atu patu. Nuku tuluj kami hol oka hon bai puchuj.
Oh, nice.
Very close. So let's go there.
यस
Muj kami kuru mutu, uru kami atu patu. Unku tuluj kami hor, uka ho bai puchuja.
Very close. Very nice.
थोड़ी ना पाए जा तो
Okay. Next.
Richi ripi ripi.
Shiva Babu abhi attempt.
Okoy, tan hiring ki ginda.
Okoy am haloi lagi.
Haloi lagi. Indo alam halo kinya ohom idikinya.
Indo alam haloi nya, om idikinya.
Ohom idikinya.
Richi ripi ripi, chilim haloe lagit. Indo alom haloinya, ohom idikinya.
Okay, let's go to quickly.
Olo podhon dahar kana.
Yeah, we should know this.
या इमेने
Aman, mama no chalo.
ओलो होपन
Olo podhon.
निसन ओलो पढ़ाओ डहार का ना हड़ होपना मारंग डहार ऐसे
Olo podhon dahar kana, hor hopona marang dahar.
ओना I don't know
Okay, anybody want to attempt?
Oh, ini hai le atau?
Play.
Olo podhon dahar kana hor hopona marang dahar. Okoy ona bai panjaya uni do oka hon bai
Bujo jonga. Very popular gyan ado and easy to remember also. So, yeah.
Olo podhon dahar kana, hor hopona marang dahar. Okoy ona bai panjaya, oka ho bai badai jonga.
It's a song, nice song.
Chutu chudup chudup.
Now halga gyan, now ko serenya ka ako. Okoy video ba jara sabu, बताइए ना कोई.
Lila ko dete.
Lila ko. Am the mam botoro. Okay, juri jawa ajira babin gabin, bakon ko bako hire.
Chutu chudup hamdo bam botoro mon kusi kutur kutur joto em jom.
Very close.
Yes,
Very small word.
Chutu chudup chudup. Amdo bam botoro. Am kusi kutur kutur. Joto wa em jom jom. Rote tere tere.
I think Jaraswara is the only one prepared.
Yeah. In pura basi karena ko in padhaw bada nyo kan. Kichu.
Okay, rotate tere.
Rote tere chet em serenya. Biny ko nyel daram kom alom holkom ko a.
Very nice. Okay.
Rote tere tere. Chet em serenyet. Biny koho atang daram kom.
Along helcom ko.
आता नो ये रॉन्ग
I think maybe I.
Rengej tetang rua hasu.
It was difficult, but nice. There are very nice wordings from Guru Kamke.
Rengej tetang ruwa hasu hormo re jeret barak kana. Okoy hore seana uni noa koy otang kia.
Absolutely wonderful, wonderful.
Rengej tetang ruwa hasu hormo re jeret barak kana okoy hore sean ko a uni ona koy otang keya.
Okay, let's go. I think
इन आयोय बुगी
अरे यार इसको तो कोई बोलो, उतना उतना चेहरा लाइन है, अरे चेहरा लाइन, अरे
In Baba Boogie. That I know.
clap.
चलो
In Baba, हाँ, okay, no, but we have more line. Okay, let me click. ठीक है.
इन आयोय बुगी इन बाबाय बुगी उनकिन बन अड़िस होचो किना अकिन ओका लेका कमी किन मितन्या इन हो उनका गिन कमिया.
Wonderful line, right? ऊंचे बोलिए. ये थोड़ा सा मतलब हो गया, but okay.
बंडी तुयुई बोलो लेन सिम कोचाते सिम संडी दो उनी फांदा गोद कादे बंडी तुयुई नीरताप एन लोयंग टांडीते सिम संडी एदरेते कुकुचु के.
Okay, this was difficult anyway.
तुयु हुआ हुक.
Easy one. Okay.
Ini jana pare na no ado.
Practice it.
Tuyu huwa huka du nyir me hante amdom sean gaya sim kom erele.
All right.
तुयु हुआ हुक दू नीर में हंते आमदो अडिंग सेयाना सिम कोम एडेले.
टकोर.
हाँ टकोर.
ना easy है ना तो.
रोहड़ जोजो रकोड़ रकोड़ हटो टटको टकोड़.
Yeah, it is like a tongue twister. Okay, good. Next one.
हाने नेलो कान बुरु नेलो कान.
Okay. ये वाला everybody should know.
Kondo usulakan hendege nyelo.
Who knows?
हाने नेलो कान बुरु नेलो कान otkondo usulakan hendege नेलो कान. दारे को मेना धीरी को मेना
Kulbana ko mena ko hati ko
Anak ko.
Okay. This one. Yeah.
दारे को मेना धीरी को मेना कुलबना को मेना को हती को मेना को. हाने नेलो कान शर्मा नेलो कान.
Okay. Somebody else.
मैं नहीं बोलूंगा.
ध्यान देखा नहीं इसको.
Itu nggak bersyariat.
नवाज ना को तो पॉपुलर सरेंज करना जितना उन्हें काम है. आने जलो का.
हिजू गया fill in the blanks हिजू गया actually.
Sirma nyelok kan ha. Ane nyelok kan, sirma nyelok. Otkon do sanginya kan, hendege nyelok kan.
Bang, kena jo sanginya kan.
Sanginya kan lilgen. Lilgen.
हाने नेलो कान शर्मा नेलो कान तिनंग चो संगी न्याकान लीलगे नेलो कान. सिंह बोंगा मेनाय चांदो हो मेनाय.
Okay. मतलब हुई ना है बताया करना से.
सिंह बोंगा मेनाय चांदो हो मेनाय इपिल एंगल को मेना को हर रिमिल को मेना.
All right. चलो ना तो प्रैक्टिस वगैरह करना है करना प्राइमरीली तो पढ़ा अपन फिर मगन.
Ada no ado share bin to a link.
Yes.
Just for our practice.
Actually very nice collection. Most of the question actually like it has been picked from the real question actually which we will get for the examination actually. So it's a nice collection. Very nice. Thank you Dada.
चलो ना बेटे इनोटे सरंग ये लगा
सरंग माम ओना ऑल टिकट ये बनाया बन तो ये मिनट में चल ना तो आयो आड़ंग रे यूजुअली क्वार्टरली होता है, क्या होता है? हाँ, क्वार्टरली को पब्लिश कर देता, तो उनके ओलो चुका को कहानी लिखो, कविता लिखो, कुछ भी लिखो। तो मायनो मिटन पोएम ओल का, तो हुडी हुडी पढ़ावा ᱧᱚᱜ बना।
कुछ जो कहीं नहीं सेरेኝ कविता इन लेके ओल का ना।
पोएम का सेरेኝ
या पोएम का ना, सॉरी। आदो ना दनो कहीं का ना। चांदो बोंगा सिरजन मनमी जीवन, चांदो बोंगा सिरजन मनमी जीवन, संगीन खोंगे ñेलो रिलामाला, संगीन खोंगे ñेलो रिलामाला। आबो उम्मीद रस्का तहन अखड़ा, आबो उम्मीद रस्का तहन जुग पारामों कान जुमीद ᱧाम बखरा, जुग पारामों कान जुमीद ᱧाम बखरा। अदीम हपड़ाम कोआ उम्मीद डहार, अदीम हपड़ाम कोआ उम्मीद डहार, उयहर दोहोय माबोन आचेत कथा, उयहर दोहे माबोन आचेत कथा। तीस बोन चेदवा अकिल ज्ञान, तीस बोन चेदवा अकिल ज्ञान, तीस बोन हिड़िया बाबा दिया, तीस बोन हिड़िया बाबा दिया। ओल पढ़ा जतो चेदो मा, ओल पढ़ा जतो बोन चेदो मा। मलंग रिया ओलंग बोन बदल मा, मलंग रिया ओलंग बोन बदल मा। तणी ताणा तंगी समय बनुआ, ताणा तंगी समय बनुआ। उसूल उयहर बोन उथनौ मा, उसूल उयहर बोन उथनौ मा। नापाय सगै बोन दोहोय मा, सोलहो ते बोन ताहेन मा। एपेर हेंदेर बाय बेसा, दुलड़ ताहेन गे मारांग धरम। एपेर हेंदे दो बाय बेसा, दुलड़ ताहेन गे मारांग धरम। जोहार गे इन लगे लगा।
ओके,
अड़ी नपाय
जोहार सलाम को गे और सलाम को गे अड़ी सगुन पारसी महा।
जोहार
जोहार जोहार।
जतो खन मारांग इकली खजोआ अड़ी दिन खन बालिंग जॉइन दागे काना और कारण दो नोडे के अड़ी गान कमी रे बिजी है काना दिन आदो जाहे अपडेट माली नामेद गया और जतो को गे सरहाव अपनी जतो को गे सरहाव जहां अबो रिन गिदरा को अबो संताल अड़ी चली और अबो ऑलचिकी को पे चेदा को कना और जहां तिना गे आय बाबा को गिदरा पे चेदा को कना पे जहां कुरुमुटु ओना लगे ते अड़ी अड़ी सरहाव और आपे कथा हमेशा लय को अतु टला करे और डेफिनेटली आपे कमी हरा नेल काते नोडे हो गिदरा को मोटिवेशन करना मोटिवेट करना को जे बांगा आले होले चेदा मनते ऑलचिकी बाहरी दिसम रे और इंडिया रे हो ना टाउन करे जदी ऑलचिकी को चेदिया एनखान नोडे ताहे काते जदी अतु रे ताहे काते बाबुन चेदा ऑलचिकी बाबुन बाटाय एनखान दो माने बेस बांग हुई कना ओनाते क्लास ले इहब का और गिदरा को ऑलचिकी को चेदिया और नो क्लास दो टाटा फाउंडेशन से टाई अप कना तो ओंडे ओंडे खन गे बुक्स को किछु को एम का हलिया और सप्ताह रे बरसिंग क्लास हुआ टीचर होंडे खन को हिजु कना ना ये टाटा फाउंडेशन खन और जेमन 2025 रना गोल में ना जे जतो आबो बन चेदा ऑलचिकी ओना सला ओना को नेल कातेन गे नवा कमी हम कुरुमुटु छुटा हुई कना और अड़ी लगन गन हा माने मिड सर्मा भितर ते आले टारगेट में आए मीडिया तो दो जतो हर जेमन ऑलचिकी को चेदमा और रस्कर रना कथा जे खाली संतान दो बांगा आरो पेणे को कामार को महले को उनको क्लास को हिजु कना तो जतो गन हा जहां तिना के नवा मीडिया तो रे बना को जतो के को सेले दो कना ओना संताल पारसी ऑलचिकी चेदा रे और बेसी तो बइन लया जतो गे आपे अडी अडी सरहाव माने आपे एग्जांपल को नेल कातन गिदरा को इंस्पायर करना जे आबो नोडे अतु रे ताहे कान चेत हुई तो Jareswar, Lalit, Mainodi, Devendra, Devendra, আর নতে ᱠᱷᱚᱱᱟᱜ ᱥᱤᱵ ᱵᱟᱹᱵᱩ ᱟᱯᱮ ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱠᱚᱜᱮ ᱟᱯᱮᱭᱟᱜ ᱠᱩᱨᱩᱢᱩᱴᱩ ᱟᱨ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸᱭ ᱜᱮ ᱵᱟᱹᱧ ᱧᱩᱢ ᱟᱠᱟᱫ ᱯᱮᱭᱟ ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱜᱮ ᱢᱟᱱᱮ ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱱᱚᱰᱮ ᱯᱮ ᱥᱮᱞᱮᱫ ᱟᱠᱟᱱ ᱡᱚᱛᱚ ᱠᱚᱜᱮ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱟᱹᱰᱤ ᱥᱟᱨᱦᱟᱣ ᱛᱚ ᱱᱤᱭᱟᱹ ᱠᱚ ᱢᱮᱱ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱜᱤᱧ ᱢᱩᱪᱟᱹᱫᱮᱫ ᱛᱟᱵᱚᱱᱟ ᱫᱚᱦᱲᱟ ᱛᱮ ᱥᱟᱹᱜᱩᱱ ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ
ᱡᱟᱦᱟᱸ ᱛᱤᱱᱟᱹᱜ ᱴᱟइम ᱧᱟᱢ ᱠᱟᱛᱮ ᱜᱮ ᱵᱮᱥ ᱠᱟᱛᱷᱟ
और ओंडे आले लड़का ले को अभी जहाँ स्कूल में भेजा लाची बेन लड़का को ले देखा को उनको अड़ी को खुशी ना को और ओना के ना आयमा आयमा सारा
उनका के सर टाइम बिन जाने का भी टाइम नहीं ओके मतलब सर
bang alin to noali le tha jabin onde tahe kate challenging dhara gaya job family adi gan other activity but in spite of that okto ko bin nyam khay tala tala ke at least no special ko jon kare kichu gari le select bara nyog bin
yeah
nito to Sejan babu lin daya se before Shiva babu goes with this one yeah Sejan babu thank you you also showing up every time and now and then whenever possible
bang adi moj renak katha kana ki je no third year celebration hoyok kana bang to 3 cheers for Sia
thank you
yeah so mostly by join dare ka da tehin na duty menak tayar by join dare ka but she said hello to everyone
oh
আর শিয়া স্কুল রেনা অল মেম্বার্স মানে যত মেম্বার মানে ইনক্লুডিং মাইনদী দেবেন্দা Chareshwar da Shivshankar da all of those all the teachers as well as students adi the congratulations to all of you chat ka hafta pe regular nunka class kora da pe ar keeping our kids also together to learn. This is great actually. This is really great. And plus because Parsi Maha jehetu India re mane amda language una moddhe re like 23rd 23 those are registered languages in the constitution una moddhe re tang parak kana and plus it gives an ample opportunity for the kids later on in the future they can do lot of different works including like science activities any research activities sports use so unka gatir even for the kids they get earlier we used to think like what should we do by learning these languages and all una amda ye do bang hoy kan tahen nito gadi do erpor it will grow actually keep on growing and the way you guys are pushing like I won't be surprised in my lifetime if I could see like this language going into the UN as well as a registered language as well and we can celebrate another Jitkar Maha for that so yeah it's really great and congratulations to all of you thank you
thank you
We have not heard from Sondhyani since a long time. Maybe she can share a few words with us.
Yeah. She can throw on the same line as to why we should learn if nothing else comes to her mind, or from her own thinking. Yes.
Yeah, I tried to give her some poem, but she not did that. Okay, good.
Yeah. Santal English it doesn't matter.
Combination thing. I think Santal se do.
English No, don't have to.
English, Hindi, anything that comes to your mind.
Yeah, you express yourself, right? Hindi, English. Sorry, beta.
Yeah. When I was small, Santal, like I was very fluent in Santal, right? So I think it's very impressive to see the kids are so excited and learning it so fast and well. And I want to become fluent again. Lekan or old chaki ho. I'm learning it here and there, but I think language is how we communicate, right? And I think communication by tahna, then no relationship by tahna. So that's why I want to learn. I think it's very nice to see all the kids are learning so much.
All right.
Okay.
Nice thinking. Yeah.
Thank you.
Great, Sarah.
Yeah.
English,
I was.
please. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good.
Okay, you want to say something?
Yeah, come here. Just show them your face because they don't know many of you.
Johar,
Yeah.
I think it's been difficult for me to try to be involved with the Santal classes as much because of college and everything else, and obviously being into like participating to Zoom is also difficult in general to learn. So I think it's very impressive that kind of have this community with all these young children and like learning about the roots and like the language, the manuscripts, things like that from a young age. And I think from this there can be a stronger community for Santal in the future.
Right. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you, Vizar Babu. But you are also, we
Nice.
used to see your all things here on the group. You are doing very nice. All your group, you are rocking like anything. Thank you. Good. Sometime you also come and see you all. Thank you. Nice.
Yeah, nice to see you. So I know you miss, but I know your mom and dad, they always send you all the videos and pictures they share with you. So, and us too, we saw many activities from you. So we are very happy to see you today.
Thank you.
So indirectly, we are connected with you. No problem. Okay. But you are busy. We know now you are other assignment also. So good. Nice.
Yeah, they're here now. We keep telling them it is very easy to hook them on when they're small, and they already know because the things that they were doing here and every other kids also doing, right? Including Lalit's daughter, for example, right? When she was young, now she has different challenges, different assignments and whatnot. So once they become high school bound, I think it becomes very difficult to manage them into schedules. But now also you can see Christian kids, for example, when you go into some very special programs, then also become very difficult, right? Right? Because swimming, team and all that, because they have such a high commitment requirement that you need to block your weekend, for example. For soccer, I remember they used to say if you want to go to those teams, you have to block your weekends. That means you can do anything. So things like that. But yeah, sooner we hook them when they're young, they can learn and then it will stay with them. So now we'll try to drag them in as much as possible and let's see how we can do. Okay, thank you. Okay. I think Shivabu has a chance to, Jiten, if you want to say something else, but we'll come there later. I think that was the closing. Shivabu wanted, no, Sachit dropped. I think. Yeah, it's getting late. Shivabu, I think you should present and then we can try to go to close.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, only because of Parsi Maha, so I was thinking if we will get little bit something we have written. Actually, many things I used to sometime I will write, but maybe it is good or not, I don't know. But one honor we had written earlier, like Ebenok me Kherwal Jati, Urum Tam Janam Parsi. Ebenok me Kherwal Jati, Urum Tam Janam Parsi, Bharat Disomre, Busarakan, Napai Monj Amak Parsi.
Shivabu, request just not to interrupt you, not to break your thought. Sereng lagi ऐसे खाली पढ़ाओ यार.
Sereng apa ya?
Sereng no. I want to remind him.
Ebeno me Kherwal Jati, Urum Tam Janam Parsi. Ebeno me Kherwal Jati, Urum Tam Janam Parsi. Bharat Disamre Busarakan, Hama Monj na Pai Parsi. Bharat Disamre Busarakan, Hama na Pai Ama Parsi. Janam Parsi mena ajalare, Namo mena mona talare. Janam Parsi mena ajalare, Amo me namadim talare, Janam rodte kuli mere, Mote tege bayem roda, Janam rodte kuli mere, मोटे तेगे बाए रोड़ा एभेनो में खेरवाल जाती उरुम ताम जानम परसी एभेनो में खेरवाल जाती उरुम ताम जानम परसी चिया का नाम जाती धोरो तुआ का नाम जानम अड़ा चिया का नाम जाती धोरो तुआ का नाम अमाड़ा साउता तला रे आदिम am do bairim tinggu wakan साउता तला रे आदिम am do bairim tinggu wakan एबेनो में खेरवाल जाती उरुम ताम जानम परसी भारत दिसम रे बुसड़कान नापाय मोंज अमा परसी नापाय मोंज अमा परसी एदो जितकरा जोहार चेदा जे नवा दो पारसी माह कना ओनाते थोड़ा गनी उयहर नाम तियो के एदो अना खते
अड़ी नपाय
अड़ी नपाय
अदो एक्चुअली बांग सेरेंग सरा के अंतना थ्रोट प्रॉब्लम हुई करे अदो माने प्रोग्राम तहलेन खान दो दाड़े को नाम गोदो गया उनका दो हेसे एनर्जी तहना उनका मेनका गया को अदो ओना कहते बोन बेरे रुवाड़ कना यर आई एम actually at least I hosted maybe successfully or not, but at least I tried my best. So thank you all for giving me an opportunity for the hosting the events. So thank you. Aro ko to mena gaya next time we'll see. Next thank you very much all of you.
Yeah, I think pe ghonta ban dur na matlab of course 8:30 bone hoga but
and I must say and I must thank both like Sumdainivity or Avisar Babu because of their busy schedule also at least they are connecting. We are not getting adult team now, so at the moment, but at least you both are connecting or like you are joining with us like in the on the time of events. So thank you very much for your presence on this event.
Anita mai evin ko gajana ke challenge ko man ko mana kan jahe je Anita da pelila mai Anita mai
तो मेलरी अडिबे सब प्रोग्राम ना और अलिगा जो गैप में ना थी बीच रे ना को कंटिन्यू यानी और ट्राई यानी पिक अप दी
well Anita pa yeah
thank you
yeah
ay masara
Lila may evin tadi
Ainda tang uno best right iya the buy all we kan ada cesta le ada just para nyo
करने के लिए
से कले कंप्लीट वाना आधा हो गया ना
छुपा
अंजम हो so ono na nyutum do yus kana gian anga marsalo saunte sermare sin chandoy rakap en sermare sin chandoy rakap en chene chipuru ho akwa kami dahar ko sen jongkan chene chipuru ho akwa kami dahar ko sen jongkan chet noa ge sirjonia hahara disam do chet noa ge sirjonia hahara disam do setak tora ayoa dulur hohon anjom beret len khan ge basiam dakan jom chet noa ge sirjonia soros do chet noa ge sirjonia soros do tikin saunte babai iman daran lagit puisa tikin saunte babai iman daran lagit puisa gate sawin chalaw hat bazar jomon herem ladu ko chet noa ge sirjonia raska jaiga do chet noa ge sirjonia raska jaiga do ayub en khan ge tumda tamak sade guhud ayub en khan ge tumda tamak sade guhud bangin sambhraw dare rasi atu ramoj akhda chet noa ge sirjonia ramoj akhda do chet noa ge sirjonia ramoj akhda do nyuto takan aboa sauntagar arhon serma re nyelok kan burka ipil leka arhon serma re nyelok kan serma भुरका इपिल लेका आबोआ ऑल चिकी पालेन नोआ गे आबोआ सिरजनिया हा मार्शल दहार दो पालेन नोआ गे आबोआ सिरजनिया हा मार्शल दहार दो तबे मुचत के जोहार गे नादा पूरा टाइम बाय नाम लेना तो जाएंगे ऑल हुई ना जो में दिन से
स्टूडेंट तो लेके वाले so nice
So ona bang involved pada side re taha kate nuka ke kami jara kana, so you can imagine, you know, when she is here what she
no wonder Aditri like
so this goes to kids also. Yes,
I'm a sir
okay, I think oh Sneha is here back.
Sneha ko pakadne
Sneha ya jete hor ko lei kiya jana meeting bare kate ama ho jana lein na mena kan
सागुन पारसी माह डॉक्टर करोगे और क्या बोलूं बच्चे ने बहुत तरक्की कर ली और इनके आगे मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मैं अभी भी इलिटरेट हूँ संताली लैंग्वेज में बट वी विल स्लो बट स्टेडीली करेंगे होप तो है वी विल गिव आवर बेस्ट आल्सो वन डे एंड थैंक यू माना दीदी एंड थैंक यू जाय सर आप लोगों का जो डेडिकेशन है सपोर्ट है टू दिस या it's
don't forget Shiv Babu.
Yes, Shiv Babu is also there. Shiv Babu is also there. So yes, it is like we can't express how grateful it is for this Sia family. And जैसे मतलब रघुनाथ मुर्मू जी ने ये रास्ता दिखाया, आप लोग भी सिया ग्रुप के बच्चों को ये रास्ता दिखा रहे हैं. So for them, you are the teacher. You are showing them everything. So you are bringing the cultural thing. And you know, the language, everything to our kids. So this will be remaining like it's an achievable thing for everyone. And thank you so much for doing this in this like on this day today. That's all I can say. Thank you very much, and we'll be always grateful.
I'm a Sneha. Lalit.
one is pure poem now.
Yeah.
Lalit's poem time.
Johar Sanam Kongi. I don't know a poem, but today thanks very impressed. I was very impressed with what the kids had to show. So clearly, but by 2025, I think I should be able to make some progress. But but the kids' progress, I think that's more important because it will remain with them. Especially I see in Shamik and also other kids in the group. I think there are two main things: the bonding they will share when they grow up as well. So that will also remain. And what Srijan also mentioned, many opportunities will be coming. So that is a very key point, which is also very important. Like before, we're thinking, okay, so suppose for kids that came before Shamik, they're saying, okay, we'll learn the language, then what? Who do you speak with? What do you do with? What do you do with it? But now there are like many opportunities. Like Srijan mentioned, there is opportunity for research in history, culture, language, about the Santal community. So I think it is a world of opportunity, and since it is already recognized by the Indian government, and we also, Srijan said that could be incorporated as some sort of internationally recognized language. So there is a lot of opportunity for us, and because we are the original speakers and bearers of the language. So I am very optimistic, and like you said, this is third year running, and good. And this is especially grateful to all the teachers and all the participants for all the support. The third year continuing, and we hope it will get only stronger and stronger. With especially with the youth generation, we have Jiten is there, Sondhani is there, Abhi sir is there, and so they'll also spearhead our journey into the next decade. Johar.
Thank you, Lalit. Thank you.
Very nice. Well said. I want to add on 1 second actually. We are very happy to share that actually first time this year only, Anjika's school, they played like a Santali song, like we can say, and they have acted all the like students of 5th standard, On the occasion of Birsa Munda Jayanti, they celebrated. Okay, so that time Santal song they played and they danced. So they performed. Actually, we can say basically they performed. So first time in Bangalore, I can say like first time they played the Santali songs, and normally Anjika Ansika will be always they used to perform at the school with the mother tongue sometime. So all of them has came to know that there is a language such that like they are giving the importance to the school also to perform all the things. So a good thing because of it's happened because of all Mr. J and Mrs. Minor their efforts and like encouragement daily they are doing and they are performing. So hats off to both of you. Thank you very much. And thanks to SIA also. Maybe it's like SIA platform. So that's great.
Yeah, that's the advantage of the kid in putting this into their system early. So they will be uninhibited basically. They will be doing whatever they feel like. Unlike when they grow up, अभी करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, you know, वो सब रहता है because बाकी सारा इतना बोझा आ जाता है ना. Right now they are no बोझा, they just want to go. So that is the good thing. I mean यहाँ के बच्चों का वही हाल है, श्रेया श्रुति सब बच्चों का. They are so fearless in this. I think बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो गया. We don't want to drag too long, but जितेन को मौका देते हैं यूथ के बारे में थोड़ा बोलने का कि जितेन क्या इंप्रेशन है तुम्हारा, what impression you have and what hope do we have from youth folks in our these activities. थोड़ा सा very briefly if you tell your impressions, your thoughts and your feelings.
Hello everyone. This is the first time I think I am attending celebratory event from first till end. I showed up last time for a brief moment during Sohrai celebration, and it's good to know that we have been, SIA has been doing this for past couple of years, and it seems that the kids, the young ones, they have been trained and it was ensured that they participate actively, and I'm beginning to wonder the statistics about how much us adults and how much kids know about Santal language. So they have made pictures and written and wrote stories, read stories, and a lot of the things, even basic names of the animal and stuff like that. I had either completely forgotten or it didn't It didn't come to me automatically. So I would say I think on average, including me, the adults are getting behind in this Santa learning, and let's take this event and participation of the kids as an inspiration for ourselves to put much effort into learning Santal, and let's hope that we all complete or pass the test that is due next year.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I'm Sarah.
Thank you.
So I think that's how abin hijua ar abin ge mucha tawon min thinga.
Basically, sort layers. In my side, I am taking little small step, I should say, baby step to learn Santali, Olchiki, as well as teaching my kids. So, no sanam ko judi nungkan step bon hata, our society will improve, progress, as well as our language will prosper.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
aling na noa tehni dohlia ki bar payment kate bon jetol bon dohe ma ona abo cheda bon cheda abo kara too much ho jayega. I will cancel that. Will not do that. We'll close it actually with this only. I think बहुत ज़्यादा देर हो गया. But I had last one line that I just want to add here. उस topic को लेके like every everybody is supposed to say speak for 2-3 minutes कि क्यों सीख रहे हैं, right? तो उसमें last time मैंने रखा था कि ऐसा मैं खत्म करते हैं. Let's see if I remember that. So language is so much. How do you say? Speaker. Language is so much. Not so much. It is connected to the culture, basically, right? And these days it is all mixed up. Meaning, one culture can have multiple languages, right? One will be their own language, and then they have to learn others because you have to interact with others. It is a time of diversity of culture. That's how we are living, right? But the closing sentence that I want to say was that if we are making progress, right, and no, not that way. If we think that we are a part of a primarily a Santal community, and we want our community to progress and develop. Now, if we develop and progress, and then we leave the culture, then that is not the progress, right? Because then we lost the person, and that becomes an individual progress. So we want to progress and develop and stay connected to the community and make the community stronger. Then only we can say Santal is developing and progressing. Otherwise, it is an individual progress, and well, that is also fine, but we need to realize that, right? So with that thought, I think I will close for today, and we can all, I think, close at this point. Yeah. Thank you again, everyone. I think नाम बोलना जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन चूंकि कम लोग हैं बोलने में हर्ज नहीं है. Shiv Babu, Anita Mai, we are so happy to see always you guys smiling, and yeah, very nice hosting and whatnot. Srijan Babu, as usual, he's always there. Mosami used to be always there, but now, like we say, we have our रोजी रोटी भी है, काम भी है, नौकरी भी है, and sometime नौकरी का शेड्यूल अलग रहता है, हम लोग का तो टाइम जोन ही अलग अलग है वगैरह वगैरह. But they put all the attempt.
हाँ, मैं कुछ ऐड करना चाहूँ यहाँ पर. मौसी बोलते हैं मैं बच्चे कैसे सजाऊंगी, तो कितना सजाए सृजन सजा के भेजे बच्चों को.
Yes. And then Leela Jadeswar का क्या कहना? They are of course some strong pillars that we have. And Jitan has joined us recently, and he is taking with full energy and hoping that will infuse a lot of energy for other youth. I will work on it slowly, and we'll see how it goes. I'm sure it is going to go direction. So and we drag her, every time we get an opportunity, and she does honor us by joining whenever she has, whenever she is able to. Thank you, Sandhani Beta. That is Sneha. Sneha, I can see. I think she is busy doing other things, but she's trying to juggle and talk to us too. Thank you, Sneha.
But Sneha started help me practicing.
Yeah, of course. It's all teamwork. It's all teamwork. Some may be a little less, some may be more, but does not matter. Everybody contributes, and that matters, right?
Yeah.
That's how we get fulfilled. And the key, as we said, he is busy with his own stuff and all that, but once in a while he connects with us. That's very nice. And with that, I think we'll close.